In a world where digital superheroes roam the internet, two powerful champions have emerged from the AI universe. Welcome, brave viewers, to the ultimate showdown of artificial intelligence. In one corner of our digital arena stands Chat GPT-4, the quick-thinking Avenger. Known throughout the land for its lightning-fast responses and shape-shifting creativity, this digital dynamo can transform from a storyteller to a problem solver faster than you can say artificial intelligence. And in the other corner, we have the mighty Claude Sonet, the deep-thinking defender. With its legendary analytical powers and truth detection abilities, this powerhouse processes information with the precision of 1,000 supercomputers. But wait, this isn't your ordinary battle, folks. Today, we're witnessing these AI titans showcase their unique superpowers. Watch in amazement as Chat GPT-4 unleashes its signature move, the Creative Blast. Need a quick solution? Bam! Want a creative story? Pow! This hero delivers faster than a speeding keyboard. But don't count out Claude Sonet. With its analysis wave, this digital defender dives deep into the most complex problems, emerging with crystal clear solutions that would make even the greatest minds marvel. Now, you might be wondering, which hero should I call upon for my digital adventures? Fear not, brave viewer. Like all great superheroes, each has their perfect mission. When quick thinking and creative solutions are needed, signal Chat GPT-4. Its quick response center and creative writing lab are always ready for action. But when you're facing those complex villains of confusion and need detailed analysis, Claude Sonet's deep analysis chamber and research observatory are your best allies. But here's the plot twist, champions. You don't have to choose just one. Like the greatest superhero teams in history, these AI titans can work together, combining their powers for the ultimate digital experience. So there you have it, brave viewers, the tale of two AI superheroes, each extraordinary in their own right, both fighting to make your digital world a better place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more epic AI adventures. And tell us in the comments below, which AI superhero would you call first? This is your host, Quantum Q, signing off from AI Superhero HQ. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of AI. Blast off.